Helen Ron as a mom. Surfing on the internet, I was looking for something special for my son, Riccardo, and I found out this wonderful word, this wonderful approach to teaching English to children and babies and infants. And so I decided to become an Helen Ron teacher. I must say that I'm a lucky teacher. I love parents in my class. I'm so proud of my children too. They love music. I think that one of the most amazing things in this course is music. The songs are so much different from each other in terms of music, style, rhythm, region, and parents love them too. They are so involved in the activities. They smile all the time, and I know I'm doing a good job.